Hi guys! So gaya na sinabi ko dun sa pinakahuli kong the best of something video, may mag-comment lang na 3 na gusto yung makita yung the best pink lipsticks of 2020. I'm gonna do it. So here it is. And super dami niya. I just realized yun ang pinakamadami kong shade sa collection ko. The pinks. And it's crazy. So guys, I'll try not to like super duper chica. I'll try to like give you a brief review and then bonggang lip swatch na, okay? So if you want to see the best, my favorite pink lippies for 2020, please keep on watching.
Name, bro. The name.
So first on my list is from Blk Cosmetics. This is a lipstick at eto yung kanilang All Day Intense matte lipstick in the shade Beautiful. So this is what the shade Beautiful looks like, you guys, and I really love the formula of Blk lipsticks kasi hindi siya like super madulas. It has a little It has hindi naman siya like super tight, pero basta very right ano lang siya, creaminess, little bit of tackiness para alam mong lapat na lapat talaga siya sa lips mo. So I do recommend yung mga Blk Cosmetics. It's affordable and quality is really good. So yeah, this is shade Beautiful. Next products are from SKINPOTIONS and I have 2 entries, you guys. First one is yung kanilang Dream Cream and the second one is, you guys, would you believe, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, may lipsticks ang SKINPOTIONS, like bullet type lipsticks. So first one is the shade MILLIE from the Dream Cream. This is what MILLIE looks like, you guys. And wala na akong masabi about the Dream Cream. Ilang beses ko na siyang review, you guys. Highly recommended. Ang bait ng formula niya. Very, ano siya, beginner friendly. And for this particular shade, yung MILLIE, it's a very mabait pink na you can wear for every day. And then if you put a little bit and then you blend it with your fingers, you warm up the product on your lips, magmumukha pa siyang like your lips but better, pinky edition. So yeah, this is one of my favorites, MILLIE from SKINPOTIONS Dream Cream line. Next one is yung SKINPOTIONS LIPCAKE in this shade Cream Pie. So this is Cream Pie on my lips, you guys, and it's kind of pink na mauvey pink na as I was saying, it's a kind of pink na medyo mauvey and a little bit like mauvey brownie pinky. Alam mo yun? But guys, please give me time na manawagan sa SKINPOTIONS. SKINPOTIONS, ang ganda ng formula nito, you guys. I'm not even kidding. It's comparable to Blk. It's comparable to Maybelline lipsticks. And alam mo yun, I hope they relaunch this, like rebrand this thing. Like, mas ayusin yung packaging maybe, pero yung formula the same. Pero like, alam mo yun, new shades. Basta, ang ganda ng potential nito. Sana nabigyan ng magandang, alam mo yun, promotion and limelight. This is a really good product, you guys. I highly recommend, and it's so affordable. Itong lipcake ng SKINPOTIONS. And yes, this is the shade Cream Pie. Next products, you guys, is from Kissum. This is the Kissum matte lip cream. And you guys, meron akong not 1 but 3 entries. So the first one is TBH, or to be honest. So before anything, very quick review ng Kissum. I think it's Kissum PH. Yeah, I think that's their name on like their social media account. Pero ito yung matte lip cream and one of the best. Because first, it's so affordable. If I'm not mistaken, it's 199 pesos. And then, next is very pigmented. Yes, super pigmented yung kanilang, this one. And then, it dries into a really nice matte. And it's comfortable on the lips. Meron siyang very slight, like, dry feel to it. Pero it doesn't bother me. Like, tolerable yung pagiging, like, slight dry effect niya. But I do recommend yung buong line, yung lahat ng shades nitong Kissum matte lip cream. Now, this particular shade, TBH, is like your nudie pink. Now, I did not include it sa best of nudes because ngayon ko lang na-realize na it's this nude. I forgot that TBH is this nude. But anyways, andito na siya sa best pink. and this is a nudie pink with a little bit of peach, so peachy pink, but still, you know, more on the pink side. Yep, this is TBH. Oh, and guys, hindi pala siya basta-basta natatanggal. You need a like makeup remover to remove it. So this is WTH, you guys. What the heck or what the hell? If you're pa-inosente, what the heck? If you're impacta, what the hell? This is a deep like purpley pink. Actually, this is like a purple pink video. And I really love it because hello. It is so beautiful. It is so nice. It is so sexy. One of the shades that I do recommend that you get. Shade, you guys, from the Kissum matte lip cream line is called FTW, or For the Win. Now this is one of my favorites if I wanna wear like something like a Barbie pink, pero hindi yung like Nicki Minaj Barbie pink, but like a bright, bold, yeah, it's kind of bright, bold pink, deep but like bold, but like, you get what I mean, you guys. But yeah, I really like this, and I do recommend that you get this if you want like a really bold pink with a little bit of magenta and a little bit of red hint. So this is FTW. Next product, you guys, is from TPS, or the Premium Stain, and you guys know that I love TPS or the Premium Stain. So nakasama, I think, dun sa Best of Brown ko, nakasama na yung line na to, and but this one, etong swatch ko is the shade ATHALIAH, at eto yung kanilang pinky na shade. So this is ATHALIAH on my lips, you guys, and again, I do love TPH or the Premium Stain because their products are affordable, really good quality, and can compete with like, you know, big brands like malalaki ng company names. So yeah, highly recommend TPS, the Premium Stain in the shade ATHALIAH. Next product, you guys, is from Blk Cosmetics, at eto yung FILIPIñANA liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Malambing. So this is FILIPIñANA on my lips, you guys. I do recommend, like highly recommend yung FILIPIñANA liquid lipsticks ng Blk Cosmetics because it's mass proof, it's long lasting, it dries into a really nice matte finish, and the pigment is just amazing. So yeah, I really love the entire line actually, and it happens na itong Malambing yung kanilang pink entry. So this is like a mauve pink but on like the lighter side. Next one, you guys, is from Perfect Diary. Ayan, ito yung kanilang Perfect Diary liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade V12. Guys, I forgot to say, I'm gonna list down below sa description box mga video suggestions, mga iba't ibang lip swatch ko nung line ng mga pink lipsticks na I'm sharing with you guys. You get what I mean? Like for example, itong Perfect Diary, meron akong lip swatch nito. A lot of colors, I mean a lot of shades. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna link it down below. Ang ganda ng formula nito. It's so soft, it's so comfortable. It's matte, it's not drying, it's very pigmented. Kaya lang itong V12, meron siyang like really tiny specks of gold. It's just tiny. Unang tingin, hindi mo papansin. You have to like really see it like this close para mapansin mo siya. Pero pag wipe off mo to ng dry tissue, you're probably gonna see like tiny specks of gold glitters. But it doesn't bother me. I still recommend this, lalo na if you have the budget, because this is like on a little bit pricier side, but still nice. I still love it. So yeah, this is V12. Next products, you guys, are from L'Oreal, and unahin natin, sige, Signature Rouge. I have 2 entries. First one is I Choose. This is I Choose on my lips, you guys, and you know that the Signature Rouge line is really good. Parang lahat yata ng the best of something for 2020 ko, merong L'Oreal Signature Rouge. So this time, it's the pinky shades, and it happens to be I Choose. Now, next shade is called I Liberate. So this is I Liberate on my lips, you guys, Ito si iLiberate tsaka si iChoose, parehas silang nasa like peachy pink family, but iLiberate is more pigmented, like on a deeper side. Ito si iChoose is like nudie, but iLiberate is like really standout pigmented on the bright, more pigmented but on the bright side pa din. Hindi siya like, you know, deep vampy. So this is really perfect like for everyday, like from work from home or kahit lumalabas ka. So yeah, this is iLiberate. Next product, you guys, from L'Oreal pa din, pero eto yung kanilang Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. Syempre, dye. Hindi ito mawawala, dye. And this one is in the shade Petal Potion. This is Petal Potion on my lips, you guys, and this is a blue toned pink, like more on the nudie side. I rarely wear like blue toned pinks kasi I'm a warm person, so yung mga cool tone o yung mga neutral, you know, sometimes it doesn't work on me, but this one it does. So every time I need like a blue tone pink or feel ko magsuot ng blue tone pink, I reach for Petal Potion ng L'Oreal Infallible. And parang rin siyang nudie, not so much like in your face na blue tone pink. So yeah, this is Petal Potion. These products, you guys, syempre, dye. Hindi mawawala, dye, ang Maybelline. Right after L'Oreal, palaging may Maybelline. So the first one is from their Superstay in Crayon. This is just like a lipstick, you know, a bullet type lipstick, but in a pencil form. Well, walang shade name, pero number 75. So, hanapin ko na lang ano yung equivalent title ng number 75. So, this is number 75 on my lips, you guys. And this became one of my favorites kasi yung ganitong packaging, really good, really perfect para dun sa mga, lalo kung beginner ka sa lipstick. Kasi manipis yung, ano tawag dito, ayan o, manipis yung pag-release ng product. So, you have time to like line your lips and to shade it and everything. So, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko kasi it's pink, pero it's like muted. It looks like mabait and it's good for everyday. So, I do recommend itong shade na to, number 75. So, alam mo yun, less chance of having like lagpas application, if you know what I mean. Naman, Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick, and the first one is in the shade 170 and 170 Initiator. So this is 170 Initiator on my lips, you guys, and this became my favorite because just look at that. You look so mabait, you look so angelic, and this is, you know, wearable para dun sa mga mid, mapuputi, at kahit deep morenas. It would still look good kahit na on the nudie side siya. Kasi it's warm tone and it's muted. Hindi siya yung sumisigaw na like Nicki Minaj, light pink, alam mo yun. And so if you're looking for a maasahan, mask-friendly, long-lasting, muted pink, I do recommend it, the 170 Initiator. Next shade, you guys, is 155 Pathfinder. This is Pathfinder, you guys, 155 Pathfinder, and this is one of my favorites. Kapag gusto ko like, you know, yung pink na fun, nagpa-pop talaga on my lips, pero long-lasting and maasahan. So I found all of those sa Pathfinder. And I do recommend it kung gusto mo na really fun pink. This is really good for the summer, but you can wear it like whenever. 155 Pathfinder. Next shade, you guys, is 120 Artist. So guys, this is 120 Artist. And do I have to explain why I love it? Like, look at that. It is so beautiful. It's deep and hindi ka naman mukhang vampira, pero it's just beautiful. So I do recommend that you get this, you guys, if you want like a deep magenta-ish pink, but you know, still like wearable kahit na pag everyday. Again, this is 120 Artist. So next product, you guys, mapunta na tayo sa glosses. And the first one is from Angel Face PH. Now I have a complete lip swatch ng lahat ng glosses nila and powder matte tint. And I have a giveaway there, you guys. So, kung hindi mo pa napapanood yun, Day, panoorin mo, Day, at sumali ka sa giveaway, Day, may chance ka pa. Next week pa ako mag-a-announce ng winner. But yeah, ito yung Angel Face PH Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Dixie. This Dixie, you guys, it's peachy pink, but more on, for me, on my skin tone, it looks more on the pinky side. It's also kind of nudie, but this is like a last minute addition to my 2020 favorites kasi recently ko lang na-get yung ite, guys. Pero pasok sa akin to, guys, kasi 149 pesos lang to. I love the pigment, I love the gloss, I love the quality, I like the smell. Well, of course, the packaging, super duper simple. Yeah, mukha siyang 149, pero alam mo yun, yung performance niya, and it has a little bit, just tiny bit, hint of minty feel to it. Bali, wala na sa akin yung packaging. As long as what's inside is like really, really good, I'm all for it. So yeah, highly recommend na itry mo to because it's just so affordable. 149, come on! And look at that! So this is Dixie from Angel Face PH. Next product, you guys, is from Essence Cosmetics, and I really love yung kanilang plumping nudes line, and this one is in the shade Borado na, but I'm gonna search for it and then I'm gonna list it down below. This is Essence Cosmetics plumping nude gloss, you guys, and I love this. I super duper love this kasi parang niyang binubura yung mga linya ng labi ko, Day. Parang, you know, young looking and luscious and juicy. But yeah, highly recommend yung buong line actually ng Essence Cosmetics plumping nude gloss. So we are down to the last product, you guys. I don't know how long tong video na to, but this one is from Merzy. You can get this sa Shopee, and ito yung kanilang Dewy Aurora tint, if I'm not mistaken, and this one is in the shade DT7. So ito na siya, guys. It's not red. Parang mukha siyang red sa camera, but it's not, I swear. It's like a deep pink na malat tint kasi yung effect niya. Tint and gloss in one. Kaya nga Aurora Dewy Tint. Favorite ko to kasi ang ganda ng glossy effect niya. Parang it lessens the lines on your lips. But ang pinakadahilan talaga is, you guys, nag-iiwan to ng tint. So alam mo yon, if you're gonna use this, I suggest you use it like 2 layers. Ganun mo, warm it up and add another one. If you're gonna use this, and then, alam mo yun, kumain ka, uminom ka, mawawala yung gloss, but alam mo, mag-iiwan siya ng tint. So, it's not gonna leave you like empty-handed, kahit na kumain ka, kahit na uminom ka. So, I do recommend this one. It's on like the pricier side, nasa pa 400 na, or more than 400 pesos, or baka nga 500 pa. Not sure. Pero alam mo, super worth it. Kasi, ang ganda, it's comfortable, and mag-iiwan siya ng tint. So, highly recommend itong, Mystic Mauve pala yung title niya. Oo, DT7 Mystic Mauve from the Merzy Aurora Dewy Tint Collection. Alright guys, so yun na lahat ng aking 2020 favorite pink lippies. So, kung hindi mo nakasama yung favorite mo, it's either I declared it already, or nakalimutan ko siya, or like I haven't tried it. Okay. So I'm so sorry, but I hope I was able to give you kahit pa paano new recommendations if you haven't tried any of the lippies that I showed you. But yeah, that completes this video, guys. Ang susunod na nito is yung the best makeup products na of 2020. Actually, the best products of 2020. I'm going to include non-beauty favorites like snacks, drinks, like chocolate maybe, I don't know. Pero lahat ng mga naging favorite ko for 2020. Okay? 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 Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Ayun na nga ba sinasabi ko. Day, wala pang 5 minutes yan, Day, ha? Kapag yan, tumagal pa lalo sa labi mo, mas maano pa yung tint na iiwan yan. Ganda. For my photo shoot, ang gagamitin ko, parang gusto ko ito si 120 Artist. Yeah, I'll wear this one.